welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain Sterling Watches reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. Guys, this is the homepage of this website and it is an online shopping store based in United States that deals with multiple men's and women's watches including the straps and accessories. So if you want to visit the product category list, then you need to visit the menu option button, and here you will find men's watches of different brands including Aviator, Symphony, Monaco, and women watches, accessories and strap, etc. And the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. Now let's check out the payment information of the site, and for that you need to visit the help center option. In this section you will find the entire information related to payment, which is the company accepts all major credit cards and PayPal for payment, and they do not accept personal checks or wire transfers at this time. So this was the payment information, guys. Now let's talk about the shipping and delivery information. So guys, depending on the location in Canada, it can take 3 to 5 days from the time it leaves. And yes, this was the shipping information. Now guys, before going further, you can also check the shipping information by visiting this option button just after the help center option, and here you can find the processing time details. Apart from that, you can find the details regarding free domestic shipping, which is the same 3 to 5 business days, and rest free worldwide shipping. So this was the shipping information. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And without wasting time, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Guys, it is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But talking about its domain information, the domain name was created on 7th of January 2005. So guys, this is 15 years old website which define its legitimacy. Now let's check out the About Us section of this site to know more about this website. So this is the Our Story page which defines the information related to the offerings, business owner name, brand connection info, etc., which is a good sign. Here you can read the entire information for your knowledge. Now guys, let's check out the contact us details. For that you need to visit the contact us page. And they have mentioned a query form in contact us page, and rest you can see they have mentioned contact number and email address at the bottom of the web page. You need to tap this button to call and tap this button to email. So these they have not provided company's official address, which is a negative sign, guys. Now talking about social media existence, so you can see various social media icons are available on this website. That means the site has social media presence on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn and YouTube. You can find the social media presence on these platforms, and you can check out the comments and reviews as well on these platforms. Now guys, let's check out the return policy of this site. For return policy, you need to visit the return and exchanges section. And guys, they have not mentioned the exact duration of refund or return, but yes, they have mentioned that they are offering 30-day money back guarantee on all watch. Apart from that, guys, they have mentioned a note which is an important updation that they do not accept returns on watch straps. And let's check out the help center option again to check out the return policy. So guys, you can see the same information is available here, which is 30-day money back guarantee. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. And I would like to inform you all that the trust index score of this site is 20%, which is a negative sign. But guys, talking about Sterling Watches reviews, we have found mixed reviews about this site on the internet and on the website as well. You can take a look at the review section. Here you will find the 4.45 rating out of 5, which is a good sign. And most of the customers are satisfied with the services of this company. However, we have studied various negative comments as well. And guys, one of the customers said, fantastic so far. I have a chocolate color and it's a beautiful watch, comfortable band and stylish. I really liked it. And another frustrated customer wrote that after I bought, its price reduced and I wanted price match but haven't heard from the company anymore. So it's frustrating and upsetting. So these were the mixed reviews about the site. So guys, it's totally up to you. If you want to make any online purchase from this website, then you need to explore the website from your end. Yes guys, in the final conclusion, I would say the website appears to be legit, but we highly recommend you to check out the site carefully before you decide to place any order, and do comment about your experience. And guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Guys, we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting, keep supporting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe, and thanks for watching this video guys. Have a good day.